Grandma, it's me. It's Mrs. Murphy. You know what I call this? The cat's ass. Oh, yeah, it's Mrs. Murphy. We're sharing the room with Penelope, who doesn't have much to say today, but Mom's having dinner. Mary, are you having a good dinner?
I'm having a great dinner.
Isn't there so much better meal than you have with Penelope?
Hi, Penelope.
What?
What?
No, I'm Mrs. Murphy. Penelope's that little white cat thing.
Oh, yeah. A little white.
He comes to visit you with Patty Boy. What's for dinner tonight, Mary?
Looks like hot dogs.
Wait, what are you eating? I want some. Can I have some? I want some. All right, I'm going to take a break here and let Johnny Boy, who should have been a priest, he should have been a priest. Don't you think? Don't you think, Grandma? John should have been a priest. That's what Grandma always said. All right. You think that's funny, do you? I'll give you something to laugh about. Oh, John, look at John's hand feeding the grandma. No. Yum, yum, yum.